Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the pack. Today we are doing a Paletteful Packs unboxing. I got this today. Yeah, I got this today. Friday. This is the June's Paletteful Packs. My brain is not working. Has anybody had one of those days? My brain's just beat. I used the same stickers as last time to cover up the little numbers and stuff, because why not? Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, it's purple this time. I like that. I like that it's purple. Koi coloring brush pens. 12 of them. We got yellow, orange, pale orange, brown, red, pink, purple, sky blue, yellow, green, green, blue, and black. We can do thin or bold lines. So that is our first item. I have this up, and that is worth $29.88 according to Paletteful Packs June 2020 thing that they send you in the mail because they don't put it in here no more. Next one on here. Let's see, in the gel pen. What is this? Point liner, water and fade resistant, 0.8 from Pentel. Fine liner. Okay, so we got a 0.8 one and a 0.1. So that's... doesn't want to show up. Oh my goodness. Helps if I know where my lens is. So this is 0.1. This is 0.8. So that's standard, obviously. And then those are $3. It says boxes will also come with a second Pentel liner or a 0.25 Saka micron pen, which we got a 0.5 micron pen. So those are $3 each. And then the micron pen says it's another $3. So this is a 0.5. So it's, I mean, I've used these before. They're good in my opinion for the micron. I don't know about, what am I doing wrong? Am I ruining the tip? I haven't had a new one of these in a very long time, so. Oh, here's the Jelly Roll. Jelly Roll pen, which is $1.49, according to this. Which, I mean, I'll show you, but y'all know what a Jelly Roll pen looks. Oh, what? The world happened? It like exploded in the cap. I wonder if we can fix that. Oh, I'm sure we can. That sucks. Pigma BB. Ooh, big brush. Hun. And that one is brush pen bold. This one's $5 according to this. Okay, and then the last thing in here it says is Stonehenge Aqua Sampler Pack, which is $10.75. You got cold press, hot press, and cold press heavy. I'm gonna open them. Never heard of this. Okay, so like a little thick, then a bit thicker, and then like super thick. Okay. Don't ask me which one's which. Not a clue. Never heard of this before. Apparently it's about endless possibilities of an extraordinary watercolor paper. Oh, it's watercolor paper. On wet. Wet on wet or wet on dry. Okay. Cool. That's it.
Okay, so I wrote down all the little things. Yeah, all the little things on my piece of paper so you know which one's which. So a cookie swatch. See how these are on the paper. Standard brush. I wish the yellow shows up on paper. Some yellows don't want to show up on papers. Like, for real, some paper yellows do not. Oh, hope that you can see what I'm doing. Getting off the papers. I mean, I like these. Seems nice. Oh, and a water base too, by the way. The water base. Okay, that's nifty, which means that I should be able to re-saturate them. So like watercolor. They're blendable, odorless, transparent, and water based, it says. So orange. I would do like a thing that goes like kind of out of these sorts of brown. The brown's kind of out of place. So we'll just do like a little swirl like that. And then we'll do down the line, and then we'll give it a little bits of water. And try to pull on the blend. May or may not work with how far away they are from each other. Worth a shot. Oh, I should have gave myself some more room on some of these. Oh, I think you can see. Sometimes for light ones, you can't see. That's pretty. I like that one. Just to test the blendability. I like the way these lay down, though. I told Graham I'm recording, and he still presses, so I apologize for any curse words you might be able to hear. I still do not have a door on my office yet, which is the lunch room. So, until then, and I like how bright that pink is, by the way. Until then, ain't nothing I can do. He plays games right outside the door. So, hoping to have a door one soon. Purple. It's purple. It's pretty. I like how vibrant all these colors are. I really do like that. Ooh. Blue's my favorite. Oh, I like that one. So pretty. Yeah, these are really vibrant. I like that about these. They go down pretty nice. I mean, I don't work very much with water-based coloring brush pens very often. But I am liking the way that they're going down on the paper. A lot, actually. You can do a lot with these. Pretty. Pretty colors. Ooh, this is very dark blue. It's like a night sky. Night sky blue. And last but not least, because not every set gives you a black. Probably one of the most used colors that I use. Oh, you couldn't even see me putting the black down. I apologize. See, there's the black. I apologize. Did not at all. Can't forget the jelly roll. Just lay down some black. These. See the... Oh gosh, I am terrible at getting this stuff aligned. I really need to pay attention to what I'm doing. There it goes. Oh, I don't really want to go down on that either. Oh, there it goes. Okay. That sounds pretty decent. Okay, so it does go over top of the water-based markers too, so... Ooh, but it does. Do you know it does with some of them? I'm like... I don't know how to explain it, like, watch. No, you want to adjust. No, it doesn't. There. Yes, that's as close as you're gonna get. Like, let me weight this down a little bit. See? See how it, like, kind of seeps through the... I mean, it just makes a lighter version of the color. You can kind of really see on this purple, like, if I do that. Oh.